morning, sleepyhead.
Morning. Love, did you sleep well?
Better now that I'm awake next to you.
Well, it seems it's gonna be a great day. So, what is the agenda for today?
I thought we'd start with a surprise. Remember the art class we talked about?
Yeah. We are finally doing it.
Yes, I signed up for the 10 a.m. classes.
Wow, you're amazing. I can't wait.
Welcome to Student Art Center. This is a space where we provide both visual and performing arts, where people come to teach, to learn, understand, and be creative. Actually, in the only art center, the only space that has a gallery. So at the art center, we offer both visual and performing arts. Visual is what you see. These are some of my works and the works of the artists who come on board. We have sessions where you come with your friend, with your couple, with friends to come and just try and paint. It's called a simple paint. We also have that session. For the performing, we have both drama, music, and any other kind of that you can think of. So the moment you step into an art space, enjoy yourself. Different paintings talk different things. So make sure you have fun. Okay?
Thank you, sir. This one, does it look like? Wow, so very nice.
Nijue ni nani wa kunipenda wakati kila moja shapenda. Niseme ni nani wa kuniteka. Kila
Babe,
moja.
I think my painting looks like more like a modern sculpture.
And mine looks like a rainbow throughout.
Exactly.
I see you're having fun.
Yeah, definitely. It's been a while since we did something so creative together.
Art is all about fun, expressing yourself, and putting your emotions in the canvas. Enjoy yourself, guys.
Thank you. Hey. How do you find the place?
This place is perfect. I love the way we find new spots to enjoy.
It's a little adventure.
Was and the perfect day.
And to many more days like this. Babe,
Hmm?
you know what?
Mm-hmm.
Today was my best day ever.
I agree. Every day with you feels like an adventure.
Sure. Thank you.